Hi there, this is Kara with ByteStand, and this video is going to go over FreshCredit's Import and Export feature. The import feature helps merchants add bulk store credit to specific customer accounts using a CSV file, while the export feature creates a CSV file that includes the customer's current credit amounts and the customer's past store credit transactions. Let's go ahead and navigate to the Customers page in the app using the purple menu to the right. Hover over it and click on Customers. Notice the Export All and Import buttons in the upper right-hand corner. We are going to go over the Import feature first. When you click Import, a pop-up appears. You can use the sample CSV template as a guide to build your unique CSV file. This file should include your customers' email addresses and the credit amount you wish to give the customers. If a customer already has store credit, the import file will override all current credit. This feature does not add new credit amounts to a customer's existing store credit. Additional items to mention is that a store cannot use this feature to create customer accounts from scratch in the app. The app can only add store credit amounts to customer accounts that already exist in Shopify and the app. Also, only numbers can be placed in the credit column. Please do not include any currency symbols, commas, or periods. A Microsoft document or Google Sheet document is compatible. In this example, I have created my CSV file in Google Sheets and saved it to my computer. Now I will return to the app and attach the CSV file and import. Okay, great. I see a successful message. If you receive an error message, please check your file to ensure the file is a CSV file. It has two columns that include email addresses and the customer credit amounts, and no special features in the credit column. Once you verify this, if you're still having issues importing your file, please reach out to us for assistance. Customers' credit amounts will take a few moments to update inside of the app. The email address associated with the Shopify store will receive a notification once the import is complete. This is an example of what the email notification from FreshCredit will look like. And when you return to the app, you'll see here that the customer's credit balances have updated, and then you can locate that in the credit history of the customer as well. Pretty easy, huh? Okay, moving right along, let us take a look at the Export All feature. Upon pressing Export All, this pop-up will appear. After you press Export, within a few moments to an hour, the store will receive an email with an attached CSV file. The email is sent to the email address the store was set up with. Please make sure you have access to this email address, as we cannot change this for you. Any email address changes for the store must be completed in your store's Shopify settings. Saying that, you can then close out of this message box and continue working in the app or Shopify while you wait for our email to arrive. This is how the email will look, and you can see an attached file. The file will arrive as a zip file. You will need to extract all on this file and save it to your computer. So let's quickly go over the columns in this file. Notice that all customer email addresses are duplicated. This is accurate, as the CSV file includes all of your customers' credit history. The current credit balance column shows your customer's current credit that is viewable and usable in the app. Transaction type documents when there was an increase in credit, a decrease, when the store reset a customer's credit to zero, if an order was placed, etc. If an order was placed using store credit, then the order number will be documented in the order number column. The amount section documents the amount of credit that was attached to each transaction type. And of course, we have the transaction dates and any credit notes to the right. Wow, just look at all of that data. Now you are ready to use our import and export features. If the store does experience any problems or questions while using these features, please feel free to reach out to us using the chat box in the app, in the website, by phone, email, or schedule a video meeting. Until then, happy selling!